Okay, let me show you something. Creating custom functions in Power Query is a bit scary at the beginning, but let me show you a couple tricks that will make the process way easier. Let's imagine you always dealing with these big flat tables, and you have to always recreate the process to make proper dimensions and star schema. So for instance, here I would just right click, go for reference, and now I would choose the store ID, store name, city, and even the area. Yeah. Now I would remove columns, remove other columns, sorry. And now that I have everything, I would just go to remove rows and remove duplicate. That would be my store dimension. Okay, but let's go a bit farther. Let's make this a function that will create these things for us, provided the base table and a list of fields. So if I call this fx create dimension, now let's do some changes in the advanced editor. Okay, the first thing we need to do to make things easy later on is to put all the different parameters at the very top and give them some parameter like names. So here, for instance, I'll call this my table equals what? The blank flat table in this case, right? Okay. Now this my table will come here, and I'm missing a comma. Okay, and now next thing is my fields equals to this list of fields, which I'll bring up here, and I'll bring the fields back there, and I'm putting the comma again. And first of all, let's just click down and see we didn't break anything. Okay, it all looks good. So now let's go for the extra step, which will actually make this a function. What we'll do is we'll add one line at the top with the same names. So my table, and we can add the type as a comma, my fields as list, sorry. And then we put the equal and greater than sign. There's like an arrow that will make this behave as a function. Check it out. Oh, it does become like this, but I did a mistake, and is that we need to comment out this to rows now, because the values will come from the parameters. Otherwise, we'll be always using the same ones, right? Okay, so does this work? Let's try it. What is going on? Oh, so now, if we don't want to type this, we can also create a reference first. And just we can go at the beginning and add the fx create dimension, then with this, then we put a parenthesis around it, and then comma, and then we just need to provide the list of fields, which in this case would be product ID and product name, for example. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! Cool thing is you can go back comment this out and comment this back, and then change the parameters to whatever you need to do, and now all the query back, and you can troubleshoot any step. and use the UI to modify it. Isn't it great? Thanks for watching.